We're going to be looking at the Jabra Elite 65E earbuds. They're not totally wireless because they do have a bit of like this neckband design, but they do incorporate active noise cancellation technology. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions of them. I've got the handy dandy iPad here so that we can listen to some music and check them out. Let's go ahead and get into it. So we've got this beautiful packaging here. I noticed at Best Buy, these were not kept behind a glass case. You can kind of just grab them off the shelf, which is very interesting. But these are the Elite 65E. They have 3 microphone technology, active noise cancellation, up to 8 hours battery using active noise cancellation, which is awesome. Customize your music, 2-year dust and water resistance warranty, and voice assistance enabled. Will you need to download an app to use these? I do not know, but it looks like you're gonna have to get the app off of Google Play or the Apple App Store. So let's go ahead and do a bit of an unboxing here. We'll grab the trusty knife. And always hold the knife away from you guys. Do not hold the knife towards you, so we'll do that. And they should just slide out just like this, or at least come out. There we go. So we'll put the iPad off to the side there. We'll leave this awesome box art for you. You've got this really cool gray and yellow color scheme on this box. Really premium unboxing experience here. These were $1.99. You can pick them up at Best Buy, at your local Best Buy. Really awesome experience so far. Welcome to Superior Sound. So Jabra is a notorious earbud maker. They've been around for a long time. They've been making superior audio products for about 145 years now, which is very impressive. I didn't even know audio equipment existed 145 years ago, but now I know that. So welcome to Superior Sound. We've got these beautiful headphones in here. These remind me of the LG earbuds that also work around the neck that are wireless, that kind of set the whole trend about 5 or 6 years ago. So wireless earbuds is nothing new, folks. But anyways, this comes right out, and we'll leave that off to the side for now because you really get this awesome case inside. It's not super premium or anything, but we get some goodies inside, so I feel like I'm opening up a stocking on Christmas Day. We've got some of those tips that cling onto the inside of your ear, it looks like, and we've got some little rubber buds to increase the diameter so that it will fit in your ear better if you are someone with larger ear holes, I suppose. And of course, we get the charging cable, which is USB to micro USB. So this is super important to have, of course. We'll go ahead and zip this back up. And there's also a getting started guide in there. We'll throw that back in there. And we will get in to how the headphones sound. So we'll grab the handy dandy iPad and we'll pull these guys out. What's really nice about these earbuds is that they are sweat and dust resistant. So the neckband goes around your neck, and we will go ahead and try to connect them. So let's see if they have any juice in them. So we'll go into our settings here, Bluetooth, and we've got the Jabra Elite 65E. They come right up. So you do not need to download any application to use with these guys. So they've already got some tips along the side here. So they should fit in exactly the same way the Bose SoundSport Wireless Free did. Except to get them in is you don't use the same technique. That was something that I was really impressed about with the Bose, was that the way they screwed into your ears, it was really neat. But these are also very comfortable, and they do cling to your headphone very nicely, or they do cling to your ears very nicely. As you can see, I'm moving my head around and I'm not able to get them out. So these are great for jogging, great for exercise, and cross training. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into some copyright-free music here, which I love. So this is, keep that in mind. We'll go ahead and see what they sound like. Remember, these are active noise cancellation headphones or earbuds. They so far are nowhere near as good as the Sony WH-1000 XM3s at canceling out noise. Those headphones were incredible at canceling out noise. But these do an okay job. Sound quality is absolutely beautiful. I've been spending a lot of time listening to my Apple earbuds, and these are just phenomenal. They are so much clearer, so much crisper, and of course the fact that they have active noise cancellation, that must play some sort of factor, because these sound incredible. These sound really incredible. Absolutely beautiful sound out of these headphones. Beautiful sound. I am so impressed by the way these sound. You know, I didn't get a chance to listen to the Bose SoundSport wireless free headphones because I couldn't get audio to play out of the left earbud. Now, I was reading something earlier on the Bose website that was saying that you could take calls out of the right earbud. So I don't know if they were implying that the left earbud turns off when you take calls out of the right earbud, but what I do remember was that the right earbud was the only earbud that was playing. I could not get music to play out of the left when I was listening to the Bose SoundSport wireless free earbuds. So I wonder if maybe they were stuck in some sort of call mode. I'm not sure, but it really is a shame that I didn't get to listen to them. I do have the Quiet Comfort coming in. I will be doing a review of the Quiet Comfort earbuds sometime next week, so stay tuned for those. But for now, sit back and enjoy the beautiful sound that is coming out of these Jabra Elite 65Es. They sound incredible. Okay folks, so there you have it. We did an unboxing and a first impressions of the Jabra Elite 65E wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, sweat and dust resistance, and battery with active noise cancellation up to 8 hours. My name is John. The Jabra Elite 65E are a big box good. You're watching SIN.